So the butt of the onion, this part right here, you always leave that attached, right? So you take your half onions, and the way to quickly dice an onion and use whatever amounts you want, you've got the lines on the onions are like a radius. They, think of like the little parts of a sun. And so we just cut down along that, and then your onion just falls apart into a perfect little dice. And so if you only need this much for a recipe, there you go. Now you can wrap that up, come back to it later and keep cutting. But when you got to dice a 50-pound bag of onions,
you learn.
Yeah. And then the other little part, when you get down to this part where you didn't cut all the way through, you can just work this around, and then you get a good rough chop. For stocks like what we're doing, it doesn't have to be pretty. In some of those kitchens, you do have to do perfect 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. We call that the Renoir. It's half the reason my hands are like arthritic now. But yeah, so that's
cool.
dicing an onion.
That's like watching a magician to me.